Hi, I'm Randall, and you can find me at Casuarina and online. One of my tips for success is read. In fact, read, and then read some more. Have you seen any advice about how much time you will need to study? Information from the CDU website tells us that for each unit of study you undertake, you should expect to study 10 to 12 hours per week. Visit the website using the QR code provided to learn more about this estimate. You will use a lot of these 10 to 12 hours each week. You guessed it, reading. Students often find the reading load at university overwhelming and need strategies to help them manage. As a starting point, find your readings for each of the units you are enrolled in. Once you've done this, you will need to prioritize. Make sure you know what you are required to read. This will often be specified. Required readings will usually include what you need to read in order to understand what you are studying, and what you are required to read so that you are prepared to participate in lectures and tutorials. You will also be expected to find your own reading materials to use in your assessments. To build your searching skills, learn to find your way around the library's search page. Here you can find reading materials in a variety of ways, including via the search box, databases, Google Scholar, and reading lists. If you need to learn more about how to search effectively, you have plenty of options. Explore the searching materials on the library website by following the QR code provided. Or attend a workshop. Look for titles such as Finding Resources for Your Assignment. And when you do get down to some serious reading, make sure you don't waste time. Make your reading count. This will involve learning strategies such as skimming, that is, identifying and reviewing key parts of a text, and scanning, a strategy used to find specific information. You will need to develop your own methods of collating ideas as you read. To synthesize what you read, you might highlight, write detailed notes, make outlines, create spreadsheets, or draw diagrams. We are all different. Find methods that work best for you. Most importantly, at university, you're not just reading to understand, and you're not just reading to remember. You need to read critically. As you read, as you make notes, those cogs in your brain should never stop turning. You should be asking questions such as, what argument's being presented? Is the argument logical? Is the argument supported by evidence? How do I feel about the argument? Do I agree? Do I disagree? Do I have evidence to support my own ideas? How does my current reading relate to the other readings I've done? These are the questions that will make your reading meaningful and help you to create university-level assignments. To develop your reading, start by looking at our study skills pages. These resources provide some great strategies to help you with your academic reading. Whatever you are studying at CDU, you will need to read. Include your reading in your study plan and develop strategies that will help to lighten your reading load.